Hello, I'm Dana Logsdon, President and CEO of Dana Logsdon Roofing Solar.
And I'm Riley Logsdon, Vice President here at Dana Logsdon Roofing Solar.
The Platinum Preferred warranty is the best warranty in the industry. It not only covers the materials 50 years non-prorated, but it covers defective workmanship 25 years non-prorated.
This is huge because the state of California has limitations on contractors where the most any other contractor could offer would be 10 years.
This covers you if your contractor decides to retire, if something happens and that business is no longer around. Owens Corning still covers your roof. Includes demolition, removal, and disposal of existing roofing. Roofing vents, metals, nails, the whole system is covered. After 50 years, the warranty drops to 20% of the material value. This is the best shingle warranty in the industry.
When it comes to the workmanship part of this warranty, you have full coverage for 25 years, meaning if you have any issue with your roof, you're fully covered. After that 25-year period, from 25 to 50, the workmanship starts to prorate.
Owens Corning actually does random inspections for Platinum installers' workmanship to ensure that it meets or exceeds industry standards.
This is super value to you as a homeowner because Owens Corning has been a Fortune 500 company since they've existed and have the biggest reputation in the industry.
Your warranty isn't just dependent on Dana Logsdon Roofing and Solar. Owens Corning is backing our warranty with the Platinum Preferred warranty.
The Owens Corning Platinum Preferred warranty is only offered by Platinum installers, which is 0.5% of roofing contractors in the United States.
If you have any questions about the warranties that we offer through Owens Corning, please feel free to reach out to us.